Let's grow your brain with a brand new word adventure. Right here on Word Up with Sofia. Today's word is clarification. Can you say it out loud? Clarification. Let's go. Let's spell it together. Ready? C-L-A-R-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. That spells C-L-A-R-I-F-I-C-A-T-I-O-N. Terrific job. Clarification means the act of making something clear or easier to understand. Let's break that down. It's all about understanding what that really means in real life. Here are some words that mean the same as clarification. Explanation, simplification, elucidation, interpretation, definition, breakdown, illumination. Take a moment to look over the synonyms. Each one helps grow and strengthen your vocabulary. Now let's look at the opposites of clarification. Confusion, vagueness, complexity, ambiguity, distortion, obscurity. Stop and check out the antonyms. They help you understand what clarification is not. Here's a great example. The teacher provided clarification on the homework instructions. Let's review. Clarification means the act of making something clear or easier to understand. Synonyms: explanation, simplification, elucidation, interpretation, definition, breakdown, illumination. Antonyms: confusion, vagueness, complexity, ambiguity, distortion, obscurity. Never be afraid to ask for more info, it shows you care to understand. What can you do today to live this out? Your challenge: act out the word clarification, using silly poses for each syllable. Ready to get goofy? Big words like clarification help you share smart ideas, and you're crushing it. Keep shining, Word Explorer. A brand new word adventure is just around the corner.